What is up, guys? Today we have the CMCGG001B, I believe the B stands for bare tool, grease gun from Craftsman. It's a V20 battery powered grease gun. I've seen battery powered grease ones. We used to use them in my old place of employment. I've never owned one. I've used one, you know, there, but never owned one. And I have a need to grease some stuff, so that's why I got it. We'll go over a couple things. So it's got a 9 ounce per minute max flow rate, 10,000 max PSI, 40-inch hose, control flow rate, Versa stack compatible. All right, let's open it up and check it out. I mean, I think it's going to be pretty straightforward. It's a grease gun. And there it is. Where is the... I never, you know, they come with the clips, but it doesn't seem like they're ever actually in the box. In the instruction manuals, are any clips in there? Nope, no clips in there. Is it in that bag I just threw over here? No, they must be sold separately or something. So I'll show you. Where's it at? Where'd it go? Right here. So it says Versa stack compatible and has that clip. Let's see what it says in the fine print. Clip and accessories sold separately. All right. Oh, well, I think first we have to, it feels oily. My goodness, that, do we need to take it off first? Is it sealed that good? Yes, indeed it is. All right, I've got this grease over here. Let's see if we can't, I don't want to make a ridiculous mess. So I think we take this guy here, dump it in the tube like so, and then we peel this guy off the top here. Ooh. Or that grease don't actually smell too bad. And then we take this guy. I try not to make like a huge mess. Screw it back in. Get it in there nice and tight so we don't have any leakage. My goodness, it just keeps going. I think we're good there. Now we'll take this guy, push it back in. Now, let's go find something to grease. Probably wouldn't hurt to put a little grease to this guy. Who knows how long it's been. All right. And I'll get you up closer to see it. Though I'm not sure what you're going to see. Grease is grease, right? As long as it puts the grease in the area where you want it, life should be good. There we go. Is anything happening? There we go. Of course, it's not putting it in the wheel. Well, that's probably something I'll need to look into. Let's try the other side. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that one took some grease. Sweet.
Well, there you have it.
Another thing I need to do is put some grease in my trailer wheel bearings, but I don't even know if I can get to it like this. Oh, I just got a bunch of grease on my strap. All right, I'll have to put you guys down so I can get in position.
You can see what I'm dealing with here.
I just don't fit. Is that on there? I can't tell. I don't think it is. There we go. Now it's on there, I think. Nope. All right, we're setting you down. Can you see it okay? There you go. There we go. Now I've made a mess, right? All right, now that I've made a mess of grease everywhere, thoughts. It is a heck of a lot easier than the old-fashioned grease gun. Just got to pull the trigger and go to town. Worth the cost? Yeah, it was. What did I pay for this? Like $100, something like that. Assuming it's going to last, would definitely do again. Oh, this holder doesn't hold it in there very well, but I guess it does as good as it has to do. So, all right, there you have it. All right, so while I have you here, I'll share a couple more things. Here's so it's got the set. Like I said, this thing weighs a little bit. It's got the setting on the back here. 1 and 2. So 1 max pressure. Yeah, 1 is max pressure, 2 is max flow rate. I don't need a bunch of grease squirting out everywhere, so I don't need max flow rate. That's really the only. It's got the like a trigger lock, I guess, so you can't set it down somewhere and have the trigger activate itself. If I remember right, this is the little bleed screw on the top here, which probably would have got us going quicker if we actually used that. But yeah, all in all, my biggest problem is storage. It would have, it would have been great if they sent it with the little clip, because I could have hung it. I've got the Craftsman, little rack system there. It would have been great if they would have sent it with the actual clip to hang it, but they didn't. Sold separately, of course, because the little 25-cent part would have been too hard to put in the $100 toolbox. But what is this? There's like a light on. Is that a light? Really? I don't want to. Oh, it is. Look at this. I didn't even realize that. Look at this. It's got a light. See that? It's got a light right there. Okay, well that's actually that's kind of handy. However, I don't know if I'd have it on the ground. I mean, it's got these feet on the bottom here, where you can just have. I don't know if I would use it that way. I mean, you kind of got it in, but I mean, it's an option if you do want to use it that way. So, all right, great. Anyway, thanks a million for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time.